So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a form in Duda website. So the first thing you want to do is open up a new tab and first go to a form creator, something like maybe paper form or 123 platform or 123 form. So you can see online form builder and form creator. So let's use it through here. Try it for free, create your form. You will then receive an HTML, and after that let's go back to here. So first create your form through one of those form builders. Through there you can go to adding widgets. So if you want to add a form, you can do it through here. You can see accordion, text, image, icon, click to call, button, hamburger menu, and you can see the option HTML. So if you use that, drag it across somewhere. So you can add it maybe here. And after that, you can see HTML content, add your custom HTML here. So once you receive that HTML code, you can just go ahead and paste it on here. After that, you can just click on update or save or something like that. And after that, you will receive that form fully on your website, and it's going to be set up right there. So you can even see some sections like alignment, spacing, size, animation, position, as well as style. So they give you some options to even how that form would appear on the website. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.